Okay, so today my husband had a day off of work, and I'm pretty sure that he really hates to tell me that he has a day off, because every time he has a day off, I've got a long list of projects for us to start working on. So he's like, so much for my day off. Anyway, earlier he plumbed a new fitting into our pool pump and over here to the water tower that we just built 2 days ago, and that's working great. Now we moved on to a new one, and my rabbits needed some shelter from the sun. Now my husband built this really nice rabbit hutch for them, but they're sitting out here and it's already starting to get warm and they really needed some sun shelter. So we decided to build a little kind of a rabbit arbor over them, and I'm gonna plant a vine up it and stuff. But right now we're kind of halfway through, maybe a little bit better than halfway through, and I just want to give you this process. What we did was we put in the post, we got them set up, just some extra lumber, and then we put a band around the top to hold the roof slats, and we also did on the west side, which is obviously the hottest side, we put slats up that. My plant that I'm gonna plant, the trumpet vine, it'll grow up over this and it'll be pretty and add a little additional shade. And then right now where we're at, he is beginning a process, I can't see anything, of getting the slats up there. I've got to get over there and help him. So I will show pictures of the finished project as soon as it's ready. Okay, I thought I'd show you one other thing. This is kind of, when we're doing a really quick building project out here on the farm, one of the things that we like to do is just a really quick method of running it wild and cutting it later. So what you see up here, we're just about done. We've got maybe a couple more pieces of bracing to throw up, but when he was up on the top, putting in the slats on the top, I was down low screwing them in, he was up high screwing them in, and see how they're running wild? Then we'll just come, he's about to grab the saw and go up there and just cut them off, make them even, make it look like it was just supposed to be that way. Okay, so now the project is done. I'm just gonna walk you through here real fast. The bunnies are much happier. Standing underneath here, where they've got this shade, it is noticeably cooler, and we were feeling of the tin. The tin is already cool to the touch, so that's a big change. So then we come around here. You can see how we've got the slats up there. Gives them a little bit of shade, and then it also offers an opportunity for my plant to climb up around it, and it's a vivid grower. It really grows pretty quickly. It has bright, pretty flowers on it, so hopefully that'll make a big difference out here. Plus, I'll show you the back of it. We left the back open. Now, in the winter, when the north wind comes, because the back is facing north, we will probably put some sort of tarp over it just to kind of block the north wind from them a little bit better. But the reason it's open is it's got the poop chute. And the poop chute comes right down, right next to where my compost piles begin. And actually that right there, if I didn't eat the rabbits, I would still have the rabbits for my garden's sake. So anyway, that's the finished project. Pretty happy about it. Now I believe we're about to jump in the pool.